Hi, and Mama Giuliana. My tips today, it's how to prepare mayonnaise without eggs. What we need is milk, oil, salt, lemon, and a little bit of turmeric just to give color. I'll show you now how to prepare. We have to put always half the same quantity of milk and oil. You can use olive oil, but it's all olive oil, it's too heavy. It's better you put corn olive, or you can, and milk. No fat milk, it's better. Like this. You put oil. And salt. That's all. You start to go. Okay, now you can start to add turmeric. Okay, now the last step, you have to add some lemon, just to make the mayonnaise sour a little bit. Okay. If it's, when you are going, you see that it's too fluid, just add a little bit more oil. You see how it's come very nice? And it's look like the other mayonnaise, the normal. You see? So we finish. This is an alternative to the mayonnaise with eggs.